Hi, and welcome back to a new video. Today, I will show you how to upload a file or files into your Google Colab. First of all, yes, I'm sick again, so please, if I coughed or I did something, it's okay, all right? Um, of course, I will give you many methods. I think here I will give you three methods. All of them are easy, but also I will give you like which is the best for you, which is the best like in many ways. Okay, I will tell you, of course. So the first method will be like uploading the data sets or the files in your local or in the local from your computer. So what we're going to do is we will go to Kaggle. Again, we will go here, data sets, and then we will just get any data set. So let's say that we will get this one, download it. Then we will come here to Google Colab. We will go to files. I'm sorry, this computer is in French, but it's okay. I will just translate everything. Wait a little bit, and then come here to import. Then click this file, and then everything will be better. Good. However, it's better to not use the zip file. So what we're going to do is we will open the file that we downloaded, and then we will unzip it here, and then we can just get the data set here. Okay, easy peasy. Now you have the file or the data set or whatever. Okay, it is better not using the zip file because then you will use some code and stuff to unzip it here. So better using the data set or the file directly. Okay, so the second method here is will be with Google Drive. So what we're going to do is come here again, click here in install Drive, then wait a little bit, connect it, wait again. However, also it is better to do this. So you will copy paste this one. I will put it better because here in Google Colab, you I don't know how to say this, but the alignment is really important. So here you will do this. Um make sure there are no like spaces or something, okay, from Google Drive, blah 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 blah. So what you're going to do is click here, then again the same thing, click on your Google Drive, and then accept everything. It is done. To see if it is really uh means if you mounted it or not, just copy paste this one and paste here again. Let's see, and yes, we have everything, and finally Drive is working. So you're going to your Drive now, and then you will do the same thing, which is putting your file or the data set or whatever in your Drive. Okay, and then you will just come here and get the okay, first of all, let's go back to the file. As you can see here, it will give you like how to read the file from your data set from your Drive. So you will paste this one again, make sure that there are no oops, this is my fault, there are no spaces, nothing. Okay, and here change it with the name of your data set. So for example, our data set name is this, so come here to rename, and then just copy it and go back just to paste it here, and then execute. There is something, oh yeah, okay, and then here you go, so your data set is here. So sorry. So this is the second method. The third method is, by the way, in Kaggle. So if you click in any data set, here you will find the download method. So you will find many methods. So here is the easiest way. You will just copy this, come here, and it will just be in there. Okay, easy peasy, and everything will be better. And this is the third method, which is the best method, honestly, for me, because let's just say that you forgot to mountain your drive, or you forgot to put your local the data set or the file locally manually, you forgot. So this is always in your code, so when you will run everything, where is it, execution, and then run all, I think, all something like this, it will be automatically done. So this is the best, honestly. Of course there are many other ways, but this is the easiest, honestly, so there's no need to experiment others. So the third one, or the fourth one, yeah, the third one, it's the same, by the way. If, let's say, you have it in your computer, okay, let's try it together. We will copy this, go here, and then you will get the path which where your file is in. So you will click here, properties, and then go to the second one and copy this. Oops, let's just do this and come here and change only this. And yeah, it's working. Of course the same, it can be from Google too. And like for example, for GitHub, if you want to clone anything from GitHub, so for example, this is the data set that we will work for, you will just copy paste this, or until here, git clone, and then copy the link or the URL of the data set, and then come here, paste it, and up, it will be cloned. Everything will be good. If you want to check, you can just ls it, so like that, and the name of the data set or the repository name, just put this, and here it is. Again, you have many other stuff you can do, so you can experiment every single thing. So here is the end of our video. Again, I showed you how to upload files in general, but here I showed you how to upload your data sets in Google Colab. So yeah, that's it for today, and hopefully I didn't cough a lot, and love you. So bye bye, please be safe, bye bye.